modified interest subvention scheme 24-25, key benefits and provision for farmer, and it's a very important question for exam point of view. For in any exam, the questions are asked where the bank or Reserve Bank of India has the focus. When it comes to small scale depositors, small scale borrowers, Reserve Bank of India and Government of India has always the, ठीक है। तो जितने भी स्मॉल डिपोजिटर्स इंटरेस्ट, जो भी स्मॉल डिपोजिटर का इंटरेस्ट है या फिर स्मॉल बोरोवर का इंटरेस्ट है, उसका सेफ गार्डिंग का काम आरबीआई, तो जो आरबीआई का फोकस रहेगा वो क्वेश्चन मेकर का भी फोकस रहेगा और आपके एग्जाम भी आएगा। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज देयर इन इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन स्कीम? इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन स्कीम, व्हाट इज इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन स्कीम? यू पीपल माइट बी आस्किंग, many of you are aware of it. See, when a loan is given at a concessional rate to the farmer, the benefit is not directly transferred to the farmer. Um, Effectively, when a farmer takes a SEC loan, Kisan credit card loan at 7%, it is not directly given to him. Through various modes, through various channels, through various encouragement, this is given. Okay, so interest relief initially given to the lender who gives such kind of loan to encourage that organization to lend to such kind of borrowers. First set of relief, interest subvention or lower interest rate or whatever interest margin is given, it is given to the lender. So when lender gets additional incentive for, or when the lender gets incentivized for lending to farmers, what the lender do? The lender give more and more loans to farmer. Otherwise, why somebody will set up a branch in a rural area? Why somebody do loaning to farmers where there is a lot of risk associated, because these farmers items, the farmers produce are always perishable. If there is a natural calamity, his entire farm produce will be destroyed. So in such a condition, why they will go for it? And farmers always take loan at a very lower interest rate because they are incentivized by the way of interest subvention. They are given 1.5% of additional interest subvention or benefit additional. If they give loan to the farmers, for each loan they will be given 1.5% rate of interest margin. Whatever the amount may be, the Government of India will bear it. So it is not a standard rule. Every year government revise the rate of interest, the interest subvention, etc. So that's why the bank effectively gives the loan at 7%. Okay, 8.5% loan is a good rate of interest, the normal rate of interest, because there are the loan can be secured through Fasal Bima, etc. So 8.5% if the cost of lending for the bank, then they will give in 1.5% reduction in interest. So the customer or the borrower gets loan at 7%. This loan is for KCC, for agriculture purpose, for allied activities, for dairy, for fisheries, for beekeeping, anything related to agriculture or allied services. Okay, animal husbandry and fisheries are also included with KCC. Okay, and when customer shows a good repayment habit, then he is given additional 3% in promptly. For prompt repayment means without going into NPA. Once the loan is slipped into NPA, the prompt repayment clause is vanished. You will never be getting this additional 3% interest subvention. Okay, so this benefit is credited to the customer's account. So now the loan becomes 4%. This 1.5% is credited in bank's account. So not bank account, bank's own account. That's why they give SEC at a lower rate of interest of 7%. Now it is into the hands of the customer whether he wants to repay is at time in a timely manner to get this additional 3% benefit. So up to how much amount this 4% effective rate of interest is applicable? So this subvention applies up to a maximum limit of rupees 3 lakh per farmer with a sub limit of 2 lakh for allied activity. Out of that 3 lakh, they can take rupees 2 lakh for allied activities apart from direct what you say, direct agriculture activities, you can also engage yourself in agriculture allied activities, those things that are related to agriculture. Okay, animal husbandry, dairy, fisheries, etc. Here you will be getting 2% additional interest. Up to 2 lakh will be given interest subvention. So what is the KCC rate of interest? Normally it is 7%. After 1.5% is reduced from bank's account, then it it becomes 4% if it repays it promptly. समझ में आई बात? So now Aadhaar linkage is mandatory for availing these benefits, and banks must report detailed data on beneficiaries through the Kisan Rain Portal KRP. यही सब क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है. फिर आप बोलते हो कि सर इंटरव्यू में सवाल अटपटा सा सवाल पूछ रहा है. नथिंग इज आस्क्ड आउट ऑफ, नथिंग इज आस्क्ड, एवरीथिंग इज अंडर सिलेबस व्हेन वी टीच इन आवर क्लासेस. आरबीआई सर्कुलर हम डिटेल में इसीलिए पढ़ाते हैं. बहुत वास्ट नॉलेज इसमें. आप नॉलेज मिला कि नहीं? नॉलेज हुआ कि नहीं? कुछ तो सीखने को मिला आपको. If you are a public sector banker and eligible for promotions this year, then you have landed at the right channel. In last 3 years, we have produced more than 5,000 results in bank promotions exams, starting from Reserve Bank of India to SBI, PNB to IDBI Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank to Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank to Central Bank of India, in all public sector banks. We have a dedicated course for you, and higher the scale, greater the content is. So don't miss out this opportunity to grab your promotional aspirations this year. Visit our website, check out the links in description, or WhatsApp us at the given number to connect with us. Stay prepared and wish you success this year.